This portion of the NHD PD module will provide suggestions on how to evaluate projects and incorporate scores into marking period grades. Once students have turned in their final projects, their work should be evaluated using the scoring rubrics provided by National History Day. Whether students created an exhibit, wrote a paper, designed a website, filmed a documentary, or acted out a performance, all projects are rated on their historical quality, relation to the annual theme, and clarity in presentation. NHD provides a rating scale of superior, excellent, good, or needs improvement to indicate levels of achievement. It is strongly suggested that you use these judging criteria throughout the development of the NHD project to provide students with feedback so there are no surprises when they receive their final evaluation. When evaluating students' final projects, provide written feedback in addition to marking the judging criteria on the rating scale. Highlight strengths and comment on specific areas of weakness that students could revise in order to improve the quality of their work. Making this feedback available to students in a timely fashion is important and expected in order for them to learn from the NHD experience. It would be a good idea to keep a copy of any feedback you provide, whether it is on a rough draft or final project, in case there are questions about how an entry was scored. Digital rubrics in the form of Excel spreadsheets are available on the NHD website for modification and use in scoring. If you, as the classroom teacher, are going to incorporate a grade for the NHD final project into students' marking period averages, assign a point value to each level of the rating scale to tabulate a numerical score. For example, each superior rating might be 10 out of 10 points. Excellent could be 9 out of 10 points. Good would be 8 out of 10, and needs improvement could be 6 out of 10 points. If all criteria were scored using this scale, a student project would be worth a total of 100 points overall. Use a scale that is similar to how you would grade other classroom assignments. One note of caution when it comes to grading NHD projects. Be consistent with grading practices you use throughout the course of the year, and be careful to not place too much emphasis on one assignment within a given marking period. Because there are several phases of the project that will most likely occur over multiple marking periods, it may be helpful to incorporate grades in increments along the way rather than one huge grade at the end. If you have a policy of allowing redos, consider offering students an opportunity to revise final projects based on feedback provided to show a greater understanding of both skill and content.